going on, everybody? This is Lupe with Illegal Racing. If you like a channel that not only shows you the racing aspect of it, but also shows you the how-tos, the tech tips, you know, this isn't a channel that's gonna show off what we do. Is gonna be a channel that showcases how to do stuff. We're gonna share the information with everyone that follows our journey, because we think, you know, the best thing to do with knowledge is share knowledge. So if you like that, subscribe. We got a bunch of cool stuff on the way. We got LS Volvo, a 5.3 in my daily that I'm gonna put in, a whole bunch of GM, Ford, Euro stuff that we're gonna do, and the end is nowhere near. It is never gonna stop. Whatever we come across, whatever we do, we're gonna put on the channel, we're gonna share it, and who knows, maybe we'll see this Volvo end up in World Cup. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and there'll be more videos to come. Thanks.